So in this video I will discuss about what is a soul purpose and how is it different from your life purpose. So your soul purpose or soul mission is something which is given to you by God as a gift which is unleashed to you at the time of spiritual awakening, something which comes very effortlessly from you, like something which is designed in your DNA or soul blueprint, something which you likes doing, which you are passionate about, like dancing, singing. It could be anything. Your soul purpose can be anything. It could be a profession which you are working, or it could be art. It could be you know it could be in a marketing field where you are adding some kind of contribution to the society, and also you enjoy doing that thing over and over again. You are quite passionate about your soul purpose, and definitely you never get tired of it. You feel harmonious while doing it, you feel blissful, you feel joyful from within yourself, and that is your soul purpose. you know we we human beings, all our lives we are so engrossed in searching for that perfect job, for that perfect uh, for that perfect uh, profile where we can contribute to something or add something to the society, or where we can put our skills forward in front of people, and also where we feel joyful and we feel happy from within our own selves. And because of in search of this perfect job or the perfect profile, we keep on pining ourselves most of the time of our lives. We uh, keep on switching from one job to another, and we do not know why we are feeling so hollow from within ourselves, why we are not feeling satisfied, even though we are getting a huge salary, even though we are software engineers, or we are working in IT where there is a lot of burden on us, where there are a lot of responsibility, where there are hash of politics and whatnot. We all have gone through it. We all have survived through the trials and tribulations of a MNC company, or maybe a smaller company where there are lots of burdens, there are lots of higher hierarchies of authorities which are above us and which are putting pressures and lots of burdens on us, and from within ourselves we are frustrating, we are getting irritated that what is it, when will this torture be ending, when will I find my passion. So your soul purpose is the answer to all of your problems. And your life purpose, and how is it different from your soul purpose? Your life purpose is something where you are having some inherent patterns where, or some temperamental issues with which you have been born, or maybe because of some social condition beliefs you have programmed your mind, or your mind has been programmed by the society, by your parents, by your elder ones, by your generations, that no, you do not have to do this, you can't do this, how can you do this, society will not approve of it, why are you marrying this girl, why are you doing this profession, this is not what society wants. These stereotypical rules, these stereotypical regulations which we have been imposed with all our lives. And all our lives we have been tortured in karmic relationships, and in so-called 9 to 5 jobs where we are sucking our energies off, and we are draining ourselves from morning till night, and we do not know what we need to do, where we are going wrong, and still we are not getting satisfaction, a bliss and a happiness from within. And your life purpose is coming out of that patterns, coming out of that societal beliefs, and reaching and arriving at the thing, reaching and arriving at a place where you are breaking the stereotypical rules of the society. That is your life purpose. So I guess from this video you would be clear that what is the difference between soul purpose and life purpose, and what all you need to do in order to fulfill your soul purpose and your life purpose. So guys, uh, do not hollow do not strain yourselves, or do not hollow yourselves into an environment where you are your and when you and your energies have been sucked, where you are in a toxic environment, or where you are feeling uh, that you are not, your potential abilities have not been uh, fulfilled easily, or where you are not living your uh, life in the happiest of surroundings, or in the happiest of your expressions. So please lead a life where you are fulfilling your soul purpose, where you are still focusing on, where you forget everything about food, about your you know about the people around you. Are just doing that, and you're just going with the flow of that purpose, and that is your soul purpose, which makes you forget everything. And your life purpose is coming out of the societal beliefs, societal rules. So I guess uh, I have said enough on it, and it would be clear from this video that what is your soul purpose, and what is the difference between a soul purpose and a life purpose. Thank you so much.